English भाई.
This is our new robot that we will use in our project, and this will look like this.
This is the demo robot.
No, not demo. It's a real one, but we got a new one.
The earlier batch actually built this one.
We got the new one. Let's unbox first.
Let's see
What is inside?
here. So we need knife.
You can use the key. And I think it's gonna look like this because we are going to use the Ned2, and this one is Ned2, and there is another version of one. Only Ned. This is a roboticum, and
I'm unboxing the new one.
Okay, I'm very soon.
USB was waiting inside for us.
Okay.
Very excited.
Yes.
Our
This is our first project.
robot project.
Robot project in Finland. So inside another box.
Another box. Maybe it's for the safety.
Yes.
No,
So yeah.
we need an.
we can. Maybe we should use another robot
To open this, yes, is
unbox a new
too much work. So
Yes.
Here it is.
Here it is. So box, another box,
another box. So many boxes
So
inside,
many
and so many
boxes
parts.
inside there.
Yeah, looks like we have to assemble the robot.
Okay.
And it's human motion robot.
This is maybe power cord.
The emergency battery.
Yes.
Yeah, if something goes wrong, then we can just hit the button.
Okay.
We
Wow.
got it.
Maybe
Yeah,
Whoa.
that's the brand new Niryo robot.
Something like 6,000 euros.
No, it's 4,000 now.
did they order from somewhere?
Yeah, it's 4,000 euros.
So we can keep it here. Yeah, there is a warranty or guarantee, something like that.
Yeah, some documents.
So Savonia is providing me a new robot. Oh my god, it's
Yes.
very expensive. I think 3,000 to 4,000.
4,000, this one.
4,000 euros. Oh my god,
Oh, it's actually cost 4,000 euros.
it's very expensive. But we don't have to pay any money because university is providing us.
So here is our new robot.
Yeah,
So
and what we gonna do actually with this one? Can you tell?
actually, this is a robot. It's actually for educational purpose, but not commercial purpose. But if we make it bigger, then we will able to use it in the industry area. Like there is maybe another part, so we can.
Yeah, there is like grabber like this one.
grabber
So
like this
basically, what we are going to do is we're gonna.
In industrial side, these kinds of robot are
Used widely.
they are using these kinds of robot, but those are bigger version of this. This is just a prototype of
I can show
bigger
you
version.
like there
Machineries in car manufacturing brands, mobile phone manufacturing,
and food industry also.
Yeah, food industry also. So because I have seen these robots before, and what actually we're gonna do is like we're gonna program this robot, and it's gonna pick and move some objects from one place to another place. So that's what we're going to do first.
Like there is a
Yeah,
conveyor belt.
and also there is a conveyor belt
And
that we're gonna use later.
like there is a product and this robot can pick up from one place to another place.
So that's we're gonna
This
do.
is this
And
way.
now we are going to start our project. We have to assemble the robot and start it. Let's see what we can do. Thank you so much for watching.